Hey folks, Poverty Point Customs here. Well, this is my Sluice Spa Palm Springs inflatable hot tub. And the most damaging thing to the inflatable hot tubs is actually not misuse, but it is, yes, Mother Nature, the UVs from the sun. So a cheap and easy way to protect them is actually with a hot tub cover. So this is actually going to protect it from the UV rays as well as the weather and dirt. So it's going to keep it nice and clean and dry. So let's get it unbagged and installed. So I actually went a little bit bigger because I wanted to actually cover my pump unit, which is right in my shadow here, right in the corner. And it tucks right underneath the pump, the cover. And like you've seen here, it's got a drawstring to tuck it in nice and tight. So one thing I noticed with the fall coming, I was getting a lot of leaves on top of the hot tub. So again, it's going to protect it from the leaves, the rain, and again the main thing is with the damaging effects of the UVs from the sun. And I actually know these work because we actually have a Avon yacht tender that we've covered since new, and you compare ours from other boats that haven't been covered, and ours isn't faded, it isn't sticky to the touch like a lot of them get over the years. So these certainly do help, and they're well worth their weight in gold for what you pay for them. And I will say it's nice and tight along the bottom. Again, this is a little bigger than what I needed, so it is a little bit baggy, but that's fine. If it gets really windy or if we get a storm, I'll just take it off if I feel like it's gonna blow around a little bit and damage it. Anyways, just a quick video on how to protect your inflatable hot tub, not to mention fiberglass hot tubs. So the next video on this is actually going to be taking it down and how to winterize it and box it and put it away till next springtime. Thanks for watching.